Some caveats before we go into this. Number one, medical treatment. So sometimes things can get really bad, and some people do take advantage of medicine or medical treatments, which is permissible from a deen perspective. And this talk is not meant to say, oh, you don't need that, or to deny the benefit of medicines and so on and so forth. What I do believe that some of these things will help you to reduce your dependency on medicine, or it will eliminate the medicine totally, but under professional trusted supervision. This talk is not meant to say that avoid medicine at all. What we'll be talking about will be more about mind and heart, but it has a lot to do with your physical state as well. And this is something that we know from the Sunnah of the Messenger of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So take a look at these three things. The food that you eat can have a lot of impact on how you feel. So it's very important to control and understand the diet and what we are feeding our bodies. Second thing is actually get moving, right? Having exercise is super important, even if it's just a walk or something more intensive. It's very, very important. It has huge impact on your emotional well-being. Okay. Third thing, simple, just smile, right? Smile, having the right posture, right shoulders back, chin up, relax, smile. That is very important. So this is from a physical aspect, and we haven't still got into the topic yet. I just wanted to have some sort of framework and foundations right. So far what we have talked about is medical treatment. We talked about the physical interaction, how you take care of your body from food, posture, and exercise perspective.